Play.
Hello guys, today my friends brought me this snake and ladder game. So I know what's the game. So
So let's gonna open the box.
let's open the box. Open the box, Daddy. So
Oh wow.
this is what's inside. So
Wow,
this
very very nindut. And this is the dice and the
put that down. I
Put
don't
it
have
down.
Oh.
okay.
So this is the snake and that. So let's see what's inside.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
so
there's
this
a
is
lot banakon.
the
This is the banakon, guys. This one, the big one, the banakon. And this one is the udtuhan, the green
this
color.
Is you. This is you.
And this one is the...
Like guys, when you beat a snake, you should go down from the snake.
Okay, come on, let's play.
Let's go.
Sige, choose which color you want to kuan. Oh, which color you want?
Orange.
I want red. Okay, I want red.
Orange.
Come on, let's see. I'm gonna beat Liam, guys. Come on, guys. Come on.
No.
come on.
He's
I'm gonna
lying.
beat.
No.
So-
I'm King Ferron.
So, guys, you're the team, guys.
I'm King Ferron.